you every day. But with emotional control, you don't just survive, you thrive. You make better decisions. You take better trades. You become a better trader. And that's what this journey is really about, not just making money, but becoming the kind of person who can. Emotionally strong. Mentally. In the world of forex trading, your greatest asset is not your capital, not your strategy, not even your knowledge, it's your mind. The trading mindset is the invisible force that determines whether you succeed or fail. It is the inner voice that either builds your future or breaks your progress. Many traders spend months studying charts, testing indicators, mastering entries and exits, but very few take the time to master their mindset. And that's why most fail. Because in trading, your mind is your battlefield. Success in forex doesn't come to the one who knows the most, but to the one who thinks the right way. You see, the market is neutral. It doesn't care who you are, how much you've studied, or how badly you want to win. It responds to one thing only: discipline under pressure. And discipline can only exist when your mindset is aligned. This isn't about motivation for a moment, it's about mental conditioning for a lifetime. A trader with a strong mindset doesn't just react to the market. They respond with clarity, with focus, and with emotional control. They don't fear losses, because they understand that losses are part of the process. They don't chase profits, because they know that chasing leads to destruction. They aren't looking for shortcuts. They're looking for consistency. That's the mindset that survives. That's the mindset that thrives. When you enter the trading arena, you're not just trading currency pairs. You're trading your beliefs, your fears, your habits. Every click of the mouse, every trade you take, is a reflection of what's happening inside your mind. If you're anxious, impulsive, or greedy, your results will mirror that. But if you're patient, focused, and disciplined, your results will eventually reflect that too. Your outer performance will always follow your inner world. Developing a trading mindset begins with accepting the truth: you will lose trades. You will make mistakes. You will doubt yourself. That's normal. What matters is how you handle those moments. Will you crumble, or will you learn? Will you walk away, or will you come back stronger? A true trader doesn't measure success by how many times they win, they measure it by how many times they get back up. There will be days when the market humbles you. Days when nothing goes right. When you follow your plan perfectly, and still lose. When you feel like quitting. But those are the days that build you. That sharpen your mindset. That teach you resilience. And resilience is the backbone of every elite trader. If you want to be great, you need to endure the pain without breaking. You need to hold the vision even when results are delayed. Patience is a pillar of the trading mindset. Most traders fail because they want fast results. They want instant gratification. But the market doesn't reward impatience. It rewards precision. The best setups don't come every hour. Sometimes they come once a day, once a week. The question is, can you wait? Can you sit on your hands when nothing aligns with your plan? That's where the growth happens, in the silence, in the waiting, in the discipline to do nothing when doing nothing is the hardest thing. Your ego is one of your biggest enemies in trading. The need to be right. The fear of being wrong. The desire to prove something. These emotions lead to overtrading, ignoring stop losses, doubling down on losing trades. But a trader with a strong mindset doesn't trade to prove themselves. They trade to execute a plan. They let go of the outcome. They understand that one trade doesn't define them. That being wrong is not failure, it's part of the game. Self-awareness is key. You must know your triggers. What throws you off balance, what emotions cloud your judgment, what habits hurt your consistency. Awareness is the first step to control. Once you see the patterns in your behavior, you can start to shift them. But if you trade blindly, unaware of your mental state, then you're gambling. And the market has no mercy for gamblers.